Soldering splices can significantly increase installation time compared to standard methods like wire nuts or push connectors. The additional time required per hole varies based on factors such as experience, tools used, and the number of conductors being spliced. As a general guideline, you can estimate the following time increments. Firstly, a 3-wire splice using, for example, 14 American wire gauge Romex will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Secondly, a 4-wire splice using, for example, 12 American wire gauge Romex will take approximately 7 to 12 minutes. Thirdly, a 5-wire splice using, for example, 10 American wire gauge Romex will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. To speed up the process, firstly, use a dedicated soldering iron. Invest in a high-quality soldering iron with an adjustable temperature setting. Secondly, prepare the wires properly. Strip the wires to the required length and twist them together tightly before soldering. Thirdly, use a solder paste. Apply a thin layer of solder paste to the twisted conductors before soldering. This will create a strong bond and reduce the amount of solder needed. Fourthly, use heat shrink tubing to insulate completed splices. It provides a professional finish and protects the connection from moisture and vibration. There are several methods to insulate soldered splices. Firstly, heat shrink tubing is an effective and widely used option. Secondly, regular wire nuts can be used over soldered splices, but ensure they are large enough to fully cover the connection. Thirdly, wrap the splice wires tightly with electrical tape. Use multiple layers for maximum insulation. Fourthly, crimp connectors such as butt connectors or terminal blocks can be used to connect and insulate soldered splices. Pigtailing devices and fixtures can also add to the installation time. The amount of time depends on the number of devices, the type of devices, and the location. As a general rule, you can estimate an additional 2 to 5 minutes per pigtailed connection.